we'll guide you through how to edit videos in CapCut using the latest desktop version. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start by creating a new project. You'll see an option to import your media, so click on that and select the video clips you want to edit. Once you've imported your clips, drag them to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the magic happens. To trim a clip, simply hover over the beginning or end of the clip on the timeline until you see the trim tool. Then drag to shorten or extend the clip. For splitting a clip, position the playhead where you want to make the cut and hit the scissors icon. This will divide your clip into two parts. Now, let's talk about adding effects. On the left side, you'll see an Effects tab. Click on it and browse through the available effects. Once you find an effect you like, drag it onto the clip on the timeline. You can adjust the intensity and duration of the effect by clicking on it in the timeline and using the sliders that appear. If you want to add text, click on the Text tab and choose from the text templates. Drag the text to the timeline, and you can then double-click on it to customize the font, size, and color. For transitions between clips, click on the Transitions tab, choose a transition, and drag it between two clips. Finally, to export your video, click on the Export button at the top right. Choose your resolution and format, then hit Export. Your video will be processed and saved to your computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.